I've been a sneakerhead for over a decade now, and I finally have a pair of Air Jordan 1s. I've been collecting sneakers for a really long time now. I remember going through many phases of having to camp outside of stores for sneakers, camping out online, waiting for, midnight for sneakers to drop, to knowing about all the different sneaker boutiques to try and cop. So I've been through many phases of collecting sneakers over this decade plus now. It's more closer to like 14 years that I've been collecting sneakers. And I've never really had, I don't want to say the urge, but I've never really had the desire to own a pair of Air Jordan 1s until about maybe 3 years ago is when I really started getting into it. I've collected all kinds of kicks from Air Force Ones to Dunks to Foamposites to Half Cents to Air Max 1s to KDs to, Stan Smiths, all the whole spectrum. I've been doing this for a long time, and I don't know why, but my desire was late to the game when it came to wanting some Jordan 1s. And yeah, I guess better late than never. Because of how sneaker culture is now, the colorways that I would want, they would sell out immediately. And you could only go to sneakers. You couldn't go, at least I don't know if you can anymore, go to different online retailers, boutiques or whatever, see if they carry it in stock. It's all on the sneakers app now. And so they will always sell out immediately, as you all must know. Every colorway that I found interesting, I couldn't get anymore. So this pair, it was actually apparently just sitting on shelves for, months, because these came out in December. When I laid my eyes on this colorway, I immediately had to grab it. It's the funkiest looking pair of Jordans I've seen in a long time. Probably the weirdest looking pair I've ever seen. And I knew it was something I had to have, and also they were widely available. I was able to get these for a very good price, basically retail, maybe a little under retail. This is my first pair of Air Jordan 1s. I'm super excited about this. And so what I wanted to do today is go over 3 outfits. I've got a street outfit, I've got a casual outfit, and I've got a dapper outfit that I'm all gonna put together to show you guys how I would style Air Jordan 1s, and hopefully show you guys that you can do a lot more with Air Jordan 1s other than just wear them with the tee and jeans or with sweats. This is one of those versatile athletic sneakers that you can do a whole lot with. I want to show you what can be done with them. All right, I haven't worn them yet, so this is gonna be my first time, and look at this. It's so weird looking in the best way possible. So these were the laces that actually came with them. I don't know why they decided to do that. I hate those laces. So I went ahead and just threw in the white and the black, but to keep up with the whole funky weirdness of the shoe, I decided to put one white lace in the right foot and the black lace in the left foot. I think that still adds more. It's not quite as crazy as the black and orange, half and half, but I think it's crazy enough. But yeah, this was a really cool release by them. It's the Air Jordan 1 OG crafted. I guess I should have led with that. I don't really care for shoe boxes anymore. This one is really cool to me because you can tell they really wanted it to look special. Box matches the shoe. What would you call this? Fuchsia, maybe? The purple hints. They match the purple hints here. The brown on the bottom half, on the, I guess the box itself, matches with the brown hints on the toe and on the ankle. And then this green matches with the green overlay near the eyelets as well. And yeah, I think that's super cool. I think that's and the neon orange in the laces and the neon orange in the tongue. I thought that was a super cool, just little touch that they did to it. It was really neat in my opinion. And yeah, man, it's not the most sought after Air Jordan 1 out there, but it's definitely, in my opinion, one of the cooler looking colorways I've seen in a very, very, very long time. And so, yeah, we're gonna style these up 3 ways. All right, so first up is the street look. We've got these black chino shorts that I got from Express. I've got this, it's like an olive green, gray, brown-ish crew neck sweatshirt from Cotton On. It's a little bit oversized, so it's got that good baggy look to it. I've got on this cream Detroit hat, got cream with the forest green going on in it, and then these high white socks because I feel like that just adds so much to the street personality. And then of course the Jordans. This outfit I think was perfect for these shoes because I was able to tie in the cream from the hat into the sail, I believe it is, in the Jordans, and then black of course ties into the black leather in the ankle and in the laces, and then this sweatshirt. This sweatshirt, it's not brown. It's not brown. The shoes are brown, but it blends well enough because earth tones work well with other earth tones. And so I didn't need this to be super matchy-matchy, if you get what I'm saying. I just needed it to blend enough for it to look good with the outfit. Just for shits and giggles, because I've never done something like this before, I went ahead and threw on this same flannel, tied it around my waist, just to see what it looked like. I think it looks pretty good. Definitely something new for me. Yeah, I think it just adds a little bit more flair to this very street look. I still think Jordan 1s work best worn in a street kind of outfit, and I think this one was an absolute home run. I love this outfit. I'm definitely gonna rock it whenever I'm going out or whatever, and yeah, this won't be the last that you see of this look. All right, and so next up we've got casual outfit. Really wanted to try and get super Miami vacation-y vibes with this one. This goes back to one of my older videos, I'll link it up here, when I said that I think people have this misconception about casual outfits, that they have to be simple, basic, you know, it's casual Fridays, let me throw on a polo, some slacks and some shoes and call it a day. I think this is a perfect example of a casual outfit. And also this goes into what I was saying about, I think the Jordan 1 is a very versatile sneaker. Yes, it's a basketball shoe, of course, but it can be worn in so many different ways, pull off so many different kinds of looks and aesthetics with it. And I think this is another great example. I've got on some chinos to start off. This Cuban collar shirt that has got a multitude of colors in it, from, you know, from green to brown to maroon to this shirt was basically made for these shoes because I think every single color that's in these shoes is in this shirt. I know I said you don't have to be too matchy-matchy. Matchy-matchy still looks good sometimes, in my opinion. And I think it's enough of a contrast with the other elements in the outfit, like this more tannish bone color in the hat and the kind of khaki gray in the chinos, that really offset things just enough to where, you know, it's not everything being super matchy-matchy. But yeah, this is the casual outfit. I think it works well. I think a fedora looks good with Jordan 1s. Maybe not to everybody, but I just wanted to, one, show you all how versatile this shoe really can be, and two, I wanted to show everyone just how interesting a casual outfit can be. It doesn't have to be bland, all right? So now let's go ahead and move on to the third outfit. All right, and here is the third and final outfit. It's the Dapper outfit. This one was definitely the toughest one for me to put together, mainly because I still don't own that many Dapper clothes, but I think I pulled it off. I think I pulled it off with this one. So we've got this, it's like a soft pink, kinda lavender-ish, like a lavender pink thing. Blend for the turtleneck. I wanted to go ahead and use that as the pop of color that ties in best to the purple, burgundy, whatever that's on the heel part of the shoe. So I went ahead and threw that in there, threw on this overcoat to pick up on the gray that's in the shoe, which I didn't really talk much about, but there's a strip on it, actually. There's a strip, a silver strip. It's a reflective, I don't know if the camera's picking that up, but it's a reflective strip on this part of the overlay, and on the toe box, there's a little strip that goes around here as well. I wanted to use the gray and just essentially blend in with that. And this overcoat, honestly, it's a houndstooth style, and so it's got brown in it as well. So it actually matches really well with the brown and the gray in the shoe. And in my opinion, this might sound weird, but this shoe kind of gives me more gray vibes than brown. It's not because I wear glasses and I'm blind, but it gives me more gray vibes than brown. And so I wanted to just go ahead and use gray as the base to set this up perfectly. And then I thought the pink turtleneck blended well with the purple in this shoe. And so yeah, that's really like the smart casual / dapper look that I was going for with the third and final outfit. And pretty quick video in my opinion. My first pair of Air Jordans that I ever got, and I just wanted to show you guys how I would style them. Like I said, it's a very versatile shoe. It really can stretch and give you a lot of bang for your buck. You don't just have to limit it to jeans and sweats. You don't have to just limit it to like a jersey or whatever. You can throw it on with damn near anything. You can wear these with a suit. So many people wear Jordans with this ones with the suit, and it looks fantastic. Hell, I may put together a video down the road where I wear Jordans with a suit and just show you guys how they look. But yeah, I thought this would be a fun, cool video. I know Jordan 1s are so hyped right now, and there's a lot of content out there about it. And so I thought I'd throw my hat in the ring and just pull the plug, get a pair. It's a pair that I think is an absolute home run, and hopefully you guys think the same as well. And if not, hopefully you guys at least dig these outfits and see just what you can do with these shoes. So if you got a pair of ones, go ahead and start putting together all kinds of shit, and take ideas from this and put together your own outfits. But that's it. As always, thank you guys so much. Do not forget to like, comment, subscribe, share if you really like it that much. We're halfway to 400 subscribers, which is awesome. And we're almost halfway to 1,000 subscribers, which means I can start monetizing these videos. So please, 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 if you like my content, subscribe, like, comment, all of that. It helps the channel out way more than you can imagine. It truly does. And yeah, that's my Air Jordan 1 video. Until we put the pieces together again, peeps. Later.